So in this video, we'll talk about the dual nature that we can see playing out in our lives. And it's the chase and it's the avoid. And the chase. The chasing a new job, the chasing a new outfit, the external. It's in the external, something that we're trying in the future to obtain and hoping that when we obtain that thing that it's going to do something for this, do something for the self. And the flip side is the avoid. And we find ourselves in those circumstances where we're chase. The new location to live, the new relationship, the new jumper. This is the wrong colour for me. Maybe I need a different colour. Doesn't bring out the eyes in this light. And there's the avoid. The avoid the internal. The avoid what the emotion might be telling us. You know, when anxiety or feelings might be rising and let's just put it off. That conversation that needs to be had. Avoid. The conversation with the boss, with the partner, with our children, with our siblings. Avoid. Chase, avoid. And so what we ultimately want to do is learn strategies, not get a taste of this, a little bit of this, but learn strategies that are relevant for you. You know, to really understand this vessel that you've got and how you can be yourself, ultimately. And however that looks for you, but being committed to your own evolution, you know, versus chasing a goal, chasing something that's in the future, chasing a position, a status, something on the external, doing that internal stuff where you get to taste your true self, which is fucking awesome. It just is. You know, when you've got that alignment between what it is that you are doing in this very moment and who you are, it's a beautiful thing. And so when we're chasing or avoiding, we're missing out on just being the self. And this doesn't mean that we have to shave our head, put on a robe and go to the cave and disappear from society. It's about how can you be fully present, fully aware, and be your true self. So we're committed to the evolution, we're committed to finding and being the self. And that is what the full practice of yoga can provide. But your full practice and how you come to be the self, there are infinite ways to do it. So with yoga, it's utilizing the tools, the technology to elevate your consciousness so you can better engage knowledge, so that you can understand your truth, who you are, your essence, your pure essence, so that you have this full and fulfilling life. It's pretty cool. Namaste.